I watch the game, Bala. Come in.
Say your name.
I'm Rusheik Kelson.
Alright, good performance from you getting the man of the match here, this game. Very crucial for Honest Garden, put them right into the semi-final. Tell us how you feel receiving man of the match here.
I'm very excited because our main objective was to finish in top 2 for the semi-final because we want to win this Premier League. So that I'm very good. I'm very excited.
How much can you see performance like this from your leaving from here?
Every match because as I say, our main objective is to win. So we come out every game intense, get goals and win games.
When you talk about you personally, you have an exceptional game. Can we expect more of this leading up to the top?
Yes, man, definitely. You're gonna see a lot from me because as my coach set out specific tasks for me, and as you can see, I complete them. So I'm very excited.
Any other objectives you have for the season apart from team objective and then a personal objective you have for the season?
At first, when I just started the season, I want to finish with 10 goals. I know that because I'm a junior, but that was my main objective for myself, 10 goals. And I think the assists, we are getting more assists than goals, but I'm very patient, same way.
Pleased with overall your performance for the season?
Yeah, I'm very pleased, as you can see, because we got the win and we got replaced in the semi-finals. I'm very pleased. I'm 20.
The win here tonight puts the faith in your hands in terms of finishing top of the league. Obviously, that will be one of the main objectives tonight to ensure that come the next match day, the final match day, or the preliminary round, the task is on you now to finish top of the league.
Yeah. That's our main objective, to finish. I want to win this Premier League, and every game we're gonna see we're gonna come out intense to win the match. If we have 4 games leave. If we get clean sheet in all those 4 games, 1 game left in this round and 2 semi-finals and the finals, clean sheet, we're gonna win this Premier League.
Your name again?
Rusheik Kelson.